So hello everyone, welcome to a short kind of nothing YouTube video this week. Hello and welcome. I just wanted to share with you that those of you who are coming to TDW Live this year, the goodies have started to arrive. So we've gone for this year, Claire has gone for some kind of pretty posh key rings here. We've got some new lanyards that everyone will get access to, and some stickers we're giving out this year, the standard kind of notebook and pen. We've also got some new glasses coming this year for our Pie and Pint evening for those of you who are coming. But the thing that I love the most is this. Claire's gone and got these desktop chargers, these illuminating desktop chargers for those of us with mobile phones and things that charge wirelessly. I'm well pleased with those. I don't even want to know how much this all cost. But for those of you who are coming to TDW Live, those are going to be some of your gizzits this year. We do have a couple of other little things coming as well. And but if you want to come to TDW Live, link is down below. Anyway, those of you who are coming to the S1000D User Forum, I'm going to have some of these, the stickers and the key rings with us. So if you would like either or both of these, do come over and say hello to Claire and myself, and providing they've not all gone, we'll give you a couple of these little gizzits. Those of you who are travelling in for the S1000D User Forum and the IPS User Forum in Brussels next week, have a safe trip. Look forward to seeing you there. Already got some meetings planned, looking forward to that. Apart from that, safe travels, speak to you soon.